How to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner. Now search for Settings option. Under Base Match you will get Settings. Simply click on Open at right side. From the setting menu, click on the search icon at top left corner of your screen. Now type in Troubleshoot option and from this list you will get Troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down, navigate to Other section and locate Bluetooth. Now click on Run button to run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Now this will identify and fix the Bluetooth related issues. If it detects an issue, you can easily click Apply this to fix the issue. So with that, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.